Hello, dear children. Today we are going to read the middle and end part of the lesson, Johnny Appleseed. So, before we begin, let's do a quick recap of what happened at the beginning of the story. So, in the beginning, we read that Johnny was a farmer and he grew corns and other fruits in his field. But he was not happy because he wanted to help other people. So he leaves his house and gives his clothes and shoes to the poor people. He wore sacks as clothes. आपको पता है sacks क्या होते हैं? Sacks means बोरियां जिसमें हम wheat या rice store करते हैं, and it is a material which is made of jute. So he used to wear sacks as clothes. And children, then Johnny, he went to each and every door to collect apples, and every farmer happily gave him the apples. Now let's read the middle part of the story. Soon Johnny's bag was full of apples. He came to a place where there were wide fields. So now Johnny's bag was full of apples because he collected the apples from the farmers. And he came to a place where there were wide fields. Wide means broad fields. Johnny sat there and took out his knife. A knife is a tool to cut something. He carefully cut the core from the apples. Now what is the core? Can you see? A core is the central part of an apple that contains the seed. When you eat an apple and in between there is a core, which is the central part of the apple, and it has brown seeds inside it. So he cut the core from all the apples. He dug deep holes in the soil. In every hole he planted an apple core. So what he did? He dug deep holes in the soil, very deep holes, and then he put the core in the hole and he planted the apple core. Soon the plants became trees. Johnny sold the trees. With the money he helped the poor. He planted more trees. Now, soon the plant became trees. Can you see Johnny taking care of the plants? Yes. He took very good care of the plants and then it became trees and he sold the trees. And with the money, he helped the poor people. And then he planted more trees. Soon everyone began to love this good man. Why everyone began to love him? Yes, everyone began to love Johnny because he used to help the other people. He used to help the poor people. They called him Johnny Appleseed. Why did they call him Johnny Appleseed? Yes, they called him Johnny Appleseed because he used to collect apples and then he used to plant the apple core and then he used to sell and help the poor. So he was given the name as Johnny Appleseed. They gave him their very best apples for seeds. And all the other people also helped Johnny and they gave him their best apples for seeds. They also gave him clippings for other fruit trees. Now what is the meaning of clipping? Clippings are the cuttings of a fruit tree, mostly branches, stems or roots. Now with the help of the clippings, you can plant more trees. Johnny also planted pear trees, plum trees and peach trees. So he planted so many trees. And why was he planting? He planted because he wanted to help the poor. In the evenings, the children came to him. Johnny finished his work and told them wonderful stories about the things he had seen in his travels. Now, since Johnny was helping the poor people and he was traveling a lot to collect the apples, so he had a lot of stories. And in the evening, what he did, he used to tell wonderful stories to the children who came to him. Can you see in the picture? The children, they are listening to the wonderful stories of his travels. Johnny Appleseed planted many trees. Soon all empty fields became orchards. Now he planted so many trees, and soon all empty fields, like all the fields, they were empty, and when Johnny planted, they became orchards. Orchards are the garden of fruit trees. They are the piece of land planted with fruit trees. Now let's read the next paragraph. Johnny did this for about 50 years. Then his hair and beard became white. Oh my God, Johnny did this for about 50 years. So he spent his entire life helping the poor people. Very good. Then his hair and beard became white. Can you see Johnny? He became old. People loved him. They would come and plow and plant for him. So people, they also used to help. Since he became old, people used to come and dig holes for him, and they used to help him plant the trees. When old Johnny Appleseed went to live with the angels, no one ever forgot him. Now Johnny Appleseed went to live with the angels. Where are the angels found, dear children? Yes, they are up in the sky. So Johnny also went up. So everyone then, the people would sit under the trees and say, "This orchard was planted by the good man Johnny Appleseed." So everyone remembered him for his good deeds. Everyone remembered him, and they talked about him, that what a nice person Johnny Appleseed was. So children, we read the middle and end of the story, and you have to read it again.